1998 Ford Explorer 4.0 V6. Little in the cab rev. We're doing outer cab rev. Oh, well, that's the first time I've revved this thing. Owned it over 3 years, never revved it up. So there's no limiter on it like the Mustang. The Mustang had a limiter of, wow. That is awesome, there's no limiter on here. Man, that would sound good with complete done exhaust. I forget what the Mustang limiter was on there, but wow. Alright, let's do a in the back exhaust video. There she is, SOHC 4.0 V6. So as you can see, we don't really, well, we have no modifications. Everything is stock. We don't touch the motor. We haven't replaced the air filter unless I have had it done for inspection. I'm not quite sure if they've done that. So it's a great running motor. 136,000 miles on it. 1998 Ford Explorer. Obviously there's no rev limiter on it like the 2008 Mustang has a rev limiter. That's the 4.0. It's a good sounding motor. So this is our daily vehicle, work vehicle, hauling vehicle, everyday roughing around vehicle, winter vehicle, beater vehicle, whatever you'd like to call it. So we haven't done any modifications to this. It's got the old spare tire in there that's completely rusted. So that's the factory good. I think that's a Goodyear. Man, I bet this would sound good with full exhaust. I believe it's still the stock shocks, and I think it's stock everything. When I got it, you know, we haven't done anything to it. I think an older person had it before us. They put a couple scrapes on it, some dents on it. It's a great vehicle. If you guys want a cheap, good vehicle, the 1998 Ford Explorer, that's it. Good family vehicle. It does its job. You know, I'd love to restore one of these someday. I think that would be pretty awesome. This one is a little too far gone to restore. We got it like that, traded F-150 in on it, and you know, it's the seals are, some seals are broken and stuff like that. You know, it's not, I would say it's in fair condition. Runs and drives great and everything, but everything else is just dirty. Carpet needs replaced. Headliner needs replaced. Seals for the window need replaced. It's just, you know, an everyday vehicle. But I would love to get one that's in mint condition and then build it out. I think that would be pretty sweet. So maybe we'll do that. You never know. So you guys got to keep following the channel. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, guys.